Hi mga bata, so ka-end season lang at ngayon lang ako nakalaro kasi na-busy ako, hinanap ko kasi ninong at ninang ko para may magbigay sa akin ng pamasko kaso hindi pa pala ako bininyagan kaya wala muna akong pamasko. At first game ko palang napa-adjust na ako sa mga anak ni Munton kaya wala akong nagawa kundi mag-adjust kasi gusto ko manalo kahit sa game muna na ito. Kahit ito na lang Munton ang pamasko mo, maawa ka naman sa bata. Bago nyo tapusin ang video mga bata, pwede bang subscribe follow ang ating Facebook page, YouTube channel at TikTok na nakalink sa aking Facebook page for more videos. Dagan salamat.
Shawty got that super thing, hot in the sun, niggas off for Spain. As soon as I walk through the door, started to take a lane. The way she jumping on that thing, got me wanna spend my body on her. She had it bumping, locking, dropping that birthday. Don't need to blow that crazy fire away. Back to my way, back on my jewelry. Shawty is cool like a fire.
Know that I'll be there through the highs and lows. Keep in mind if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone, I will be there. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be tears are rolling down the river to the ocean, and there's no one else around. You won't question my devotion. Everybody needs somebody, and you got me.
Panalo nga kami dito at matatapos na ang laro mga bata, huwag kayong mawawala ha. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, ingat palem.